all stand for a prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Good morning, class. Before you take your seat, kindly pick up the trashes you can see inside the classroom and put it in the trash bins. Very good. You may now take your seat. Before anything else, let me check your attendance. Say present if your name is called. Okay, class, what was our topic last meeting? Yes, Abby? Very good. So now get your notebook and arrange the decimals given in ascending order. Let's proceed to our activity. Let's group you into 3 groups and I will give each group a jigsaw puzzle, and the first one to solve the picture will be given a reward. So everyone completed the pictures. Let's clap our hands.
So since you have already completed the different puzzles that has been given to you, what have you noticed with the 3 pictures that you have done? So Shikil, very good. The 3 pictures that was completed was composed of different lines. These are the scissors, the letter L, and our pedestrian lane. So what you have noticed is it is composed of different lines that meet each other and lines that do not meet with each other. So this is connected with our lesson for today, which is about identifying the parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines. So we have the different types of lines. But before that, anybody in the class who can tell me what is a line? So Nicole, so a line is a collection of infinite points. It extends endlessly in both directions, and it is a one-dimensional figure with no end, both to the left and to the right. So anything in this class, inside this class, is composed of different lines. So let us move on to the first specific line that we are going to discuss. So this is the parallel lines. So parallel lines. So atong parallel lines, these are lines that do not meet each other no matter how far they extend. They always maintain the same distance apart. So, di ba, makita nimo sa atong examples diri sa ato ang parallel line, nga line sila, nga although uban sila, but dili sila gatagbo with each other, bisan pa na sila kalagyo moabot. So, sa 3 ka jigsaw puzzle nga na-form ninyo ganina, aman dinhi ang ga-feature sa parallel line. Very good. Ang naay parallel line diri sa 3 ka pictures is ang atong pedestrian lane. So that's it for our parallel line. Next is intersecting lines. So intersecting lines are lines that cross each other, forming angles where they meet. So ato ang intersecting line, kay lines ni sila, sa makita nimo sa atong examples, they do meet each other and go form silang angles. Different angles ilang ga-form. So, sa 3 ka-puzzles na itong na-form ganina, ang picture diri nga ga-feature of intersecting lines is ang atong scissors. So, anybody in the class makatagog another example sa ato ang intersecting line. Real-life example. Nicole, very good. Another example para sa ato ang intersecting line in real life is ang atong hand sa clock. Di ba ang atong clock kay na siya long hand and short hand, and whenever they gatagbuan na sila, so mag-form sila of different angles. So muna ang atong intersecting lines. So the last line, basic line that we're going to discuss is atong perpendicular lines. These are lines that intersect at a 90-degree angle, forming right angles where they meet. So, basing malibog mo, same sila sa intersecting line, di ba? Gatagbo sila. But na sila big difference since ang intersecting line and ang atong perpendicular line, ang perpendicular line gamit sila but it only forms 90 degrees angle. So, example, ato i-differentiate ha. Muna ato ang intersecting, musa ni atong perpendicular. Same sila nga na sila meeting point, na sila tagbuanan. Pero ang difference nila is ang intersecting line ay ang perpendicular line na only yung naka-form na angle is 90 degrees or only right angle. While the intersecting line, it forms different angles. So that would be all for the 3 different types of lines.
So to know if you have learned and understood our lesson for today, we will play a game, and the name of the game is Captain Dexy. And you only need to spot the objects that are composed of different lines, and it may be parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting lines. And then you will identify what kind of line the object represents. So let's start.
Ahoy voyagers! I am Captain Dexy. Join me in my sea adventure. Hello treasure hunters. I will be your captain today. I was thinking you could help me find the things that consist of different lines. Are you ready?
So the instructions of the game is, I want you to divide yourselves into 5 groups. And again, you only need to find the objects that consist of parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular lines. And the first group to find the object inside the classroom will get points.
Remember to find objects that have parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular lines. Good luck!
One, can you spot an object that represents the different lines?
The scissors, Mom.
Alright, so what kind of line the scissor represents?
It is an intersecting line.
Yes, it is. Very good. And again.
Railings.
Railings. Let's see. And what kind of lines does railroad tracks represent?
It is a parallel line.
Parallel lines? Yes, very good. And because Group 1 gained the highest points, meaning they are the winner of this game. Congratulations.
So, hi learners. So to further test your understanding about our topic, I have prepared a game for you. And first, we have a race. It is called a duck race game. So your name has already listed in our game, and if your name will won the contest, then you will answer some certain question. So start. Who will win the contest? It might be Dexy because, yeah, it's Dexy. So congratulations, Dexy, you won the game. And for you, because you won the game, you need to answer. First is, what is the importance of lines in our daily life? So, what is the purpose of lines in our daily lives? So, for you, Dexy, you explain it well. So, for the next is, Dexy, will you call a friend? Then, please answer the question, what will happen to the road if it is not organized? So, unsa ka ba if ang road wala siya kanang kuan, wala siya proper way nga diri ang paadto sa balay-balay, wala siya proper way nga diri paadto sa kuan. Asa ka pwede mo baklay if it is okay nga kanang wala proper nga organization ng road. So, di ba? Unsa in your opinion? Okay, very good, Miss Nicole. For the last question, Miss Nicole, please call a friend. So, Ms. Shikel, give an example of the parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines that can be seen at home. So, in your home, did you see an intersecting lines, Ms. Shikel? Very good! That is so a good answer. And how about the parallel lines? Yes, that is good. That is a good example, Ms. Shikel. And for the perpendicular lines, excellent. That is a good example. So, but before that, I have prepared a model. So good morning everyone. So I am back. So I have here a model of lines, and it is called City of Lights model. So this model is composed of different lines. As you roam around in the city, you will see a different lines. And I know you already know what is intersecting, parallel, and perpendicular lines. And I want you to manipulate this card, and as you tour around the city, please tell me what kind of line that is. Okay, Michikel, you're looking at me. Can you please manipulate this card and tell me what type of line is it? Okay, please come in front.
So this line is a parallel line.
Can you point what is the parallel lines?
This one here.
What is it? What do you call this one?
Parallel lines.
Or in the road, it is a
Pedestrian lane.
Yeah, that is good, very good. So as you can see, she can manipulated the car, and she pointed that this pedestrian lane is the parallel line. So it is correct or not? Very good, that is correct. So that is very good, everyone. Thank you for listening.
So now I am going to divide the class into 3 groups. So I am going to show different kinds of pictures, and you are going to sing and chant before going to answer. So let's get started. So group number 1, very good. So this line is a parallel lines. Group number 3, yes, very good. This picture shows a intersecting line. And for group number 2, this is a perpendicular line. So very good, everyone. For your assignment, you are going to draw a real-life object example in a A4 bond paper, and you will going to pass it next meeting. So that's all for today, and goodbye. You can go now.